Look no farther than mini-itx alternatives if you need a small, space-saving PC case. They have grown in popularity because of their small size and roomy design. But which one should you choose from the many available choices? Good call, I guess. For you to discover the ideal mini-itx case, we have created some outstanding cases today to fit every budget. First of all, we have the Lai A4 H2O, which is a decent mini-itx case for easy-to-build SFF systems without having to spend too much. This case is only 11 liters in volume, but it can still accommodate a triple-slot GPU and a 240mm AIO water cooler. That's right, you can have a compact and powerful system without having to sacrifice performance. Plus, it has a minimalist design with clean lines and a black or silver finish. Its high-quality aluminum panel construction makes it durable and resistant to scratches and dents. It's also perfect for taking your rig with you on the go, but don't let its small size fool you. Its easy access side panels with snap-on connectors makes it easy to build and maintain your system. So if you prefer a small PC case that's affordable and easy to build for a powerful system, then this would be the one. And if you're more into aesthetics, then you should look into the Cooler Master NR200. This case comes in 4 eye-catching colors at an affordable price, and you can choose the one that best suits your style. It's also easy to build in, thanks to its spacious interior and tool-less design. But it's not just about looks and convenience, it also offers some amazing performance features. It supports CPU coolers up to 155mm tall and radiators up to 280mm long. That means you can pack some serious specs into this little case. And if you want to show off your components, it has an optional glass side panel. This will give you a clear view of your build so you can advise your handiwork. But the best part about this is the included riser card. This allows you to vertically mount your graphics card, which can improve airflow and give your build a more unique look. So, if you're looking for an affordable compact case that offers a range of colorful choices with vertical GPU mounting, this could be a great fit. Now, imagine you're a tech-savvy individual who has always appreciated the elegance of a well-constructed rig. Your space, however, is limited, and you're not willing to compromise on power. This is where the NZXT H1 steps in, ready to feature demands for a mid-range build. It's perfect for gamers and enthusiasts who want a small, quiet, and easy-to-build PC, and guess what? The H1 is made out of solid steel and has pre-routed cables, making it clutter-free. It also comes with an AIO cooler and a 750 watts SFX power supply, so you don't have to buy them separately. Its H1 is quite under full load, making it a great choice for gaming PC or a workstation. Moreover, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a mid-range mini-itx case that does not compromise on quality neither features. It's easy to build in, quiet under full load, and comes with everything you need to get started. The Dancase A4 is another mid-range mini-itx with good performance and a small footprint. It's made from high-quality aluminum and features a minimalistic design. It's sleek and stylish, and it'll look great on your desk or in your living room. Plus, it's easy to build and even for beginners, supporting dual-slot GPUs up to 295mm in length, and mini-itx motherboards. It offers versatility in a small space. But wait, there's more. It can also support a full-length graphics card, a dual-tower CPU cooler, and two 2.5-inch SSDs. Its front USB 3.0 port and power button will provide easy access and functionality. And the catchy part is it features LIAN's push-pin technology, so its exterior exudes a premium feel. Despite its modest dimensions, it delivers a blend of aesthetics and practicality, making it a sleek option for a variety of mini-itx builds. Okay, if all those mini-itx's are not enough for you, and you can care less about the price, then you should go for high-end options. And the Fantech Shift XT is a high-end compact chassis that refuses to compromise on performance. It offers space for two 140mm fans and a 240 AIO liquid cooler, and giving you control over your cooling needs. And if you're wondering why should you consider this, then the answer lies in its base-oriented design. Despite its small size, it supports GPUs up to 324mm long, all thanks to its built-in PCIe X16 Gen 4 riser cable. The anodized aluminum panels not only exuded quality, but also spoke of durability, reassuring you that your investment is well protected. Its built-in the RGB infinity mirror is a delightful touch, bringing a dash of personality to your setup. Another high-end mini-itx case that offers excellent performance in cooling is the Fractal. It comes with a higher price tag than Fantech Shift XT, yes, but it will surely be worth every penny you spend, because it supports motherboards up to 10.8 inches deep and features a walnut trim outlook that provides a pleasant aesthetic. The case also comes with 2 pre-installed fans, which can be easily replaced or upgraded if needed. Plus, it gives you the option of a tempered glass or mesh left panel for a clear view of your components, and better airflow even under heavy load. If you look at the show off your build, the tempered glass panel is the way to go. In the end, it all comes down to your personal preference. If you're on a tight budget, then the Lai A4 H2O or Cooler Master NR200 will be great options for you. For mid-range users, the NZXT H1 or Dancase A4 should be on your list. And last but not least, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Fantech Shift XT or Fractal North are the way to go.